How to set up your OKX Exchange account. Trade with the power of technology. Discover 300-plus assets across 80-plus chains. And have peace of mind with monthly proof of reserves. Now follow along with the steps we are going to show you. First, you need to download the official OKX app in the App Store or Play Store. After downloading, you need to open the app and click Sign Up. Now create an account by entering your email address and click Sign Up again. Enter the code you received in your email and hit Next. Now you need to do the same with your phone number. Enter your phone number and hit Next. Now enter the code you just received and hit Next. We now need to select our country of residence and confirm your residence matches the one on your ID. Create your login password and click Next. In the next step, OKX needs to verify your details, so click on Verify Now. Confirm your personal info by acknowledging that the info on the screen is correct. Now enter your full address and click Next. In the last step, you need to enter some details about your income. Fill out the form and click Next. Congratulations! You have now set up your OKX Exchange trading account. If you liked this tutorial, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.